to find the invisible killers lurking in the water. It all depends on the crucial tool, microscope. It is generally recommended to use biological microscopes, such as MSHOT ML45 and ML51-N, which offer excellent optical performance and strong expandability, making them well suited for the common observation methods used in water resource testing, such as bright field observation, to directly observe algae and plankton in the water. It is the basis for biodiversity assessment. Fluorescence observation is used to track specific new pollutants or observe fluorescently labeled samples. Dark field observation precisely locates the target. It makes transparent or semi-transparent microorganisms, showing clear outlines. From detecting water ecological health to identify emerging pollution risks, the microscope helps us accurately assess water resources and protect the safety of every drop of water. Explore the microscopic world with MSHOT.